So how to add your Morrisons More Card to Apple Wallet. So to add your Morrisons More Card to Apple Wallet, you're firstly going to want to open up the Morrisons More app and come to the home page, which should look like this. And where your card is displayed right at the top, you just want to go ahead and click on it. Then once you've clicked on your card, it should open you up to this page here. And nice and simple, you just want to select on Add to Apple Wallet. Then once you've selected on Add to Apple Wallet, it should bring you to this page here. And nice and easy, you just want to select Add right at the top. And there you have it. And if you open up your Apple Wallet, you will now see your Morrisons More Card in there, making it easy for all your Morrisons shopping going forward. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.